Okay, at this point you had seen a video regarding coming up with names from formulas using the common naming system. Now we're going to go backwards and try and figure out what the formula would be if you're given the name. Just as a reminder, the suffixes are ic and us. If you're using the higher or larger of the oxidation states available for a metal, generally a transition metal that has more than one oxidation state, you're going to use ic. If you're using the lower or smaller oxidation state, we're going to use the suffix us. So our first example will be plumbic nitride. The ic is telling us to use the higher value for the metal. Plumb is telling us to use lead. So we're going to our reference table and we're going to look up lead's oxidation states and select the higher or larger of the two values, which happens to be +4. We will be crisscrossing it against nitrogen, which is our nitride, and we're always using the top value for our nonmetals. In this case, it's a -3. When we crisscross them, it becomes Pb3N4. Ferrous phosphide is telling us take the lower of the two values for the Fer root, which is your iron, and we'll be crisscrossing it with phosphorus. Again, we're taking phosphorus's top oxidation state and the lower or the smaller of the two values for iron. When we crisscross this, we get Fe3P2. And as always, if we were able to simplify those two subscripts, we absolutely must do that in the end.